Today we will discuss about how to create a map layout using ArcPro software. Very firstly, you will just upload your data in ArcPro software, and then you will just click on a new layer. And from here, you can choose a portrait model, or you can choose a landscape layout. I will choose a landscape layout for this map, and this will create overlay process. And here you will add this map from a map frame, and just click on this, and then you will just store this as like this one. Now this will show you a preview of your data, and from here you will change its color symbology. You will just click on this, and this will show you a pan preview to analyze your color scheme. From here, you will click on properties, or you will click on back, and then you can select unique values from here, and select some provinces from here, and you can choose your color scheme, and just we don't need all auto values. From more, you will remove all values, and from here, you will add your values by selecting, or you can add them in one go. Yes. So here, now the next step is to label your features from here. You will just right click on the provincial boundary, and click on label feature. This will label all the provinces, and which you named an attribute table, and you can change their symbology from labeling properties, and you will just click on it. This will show you a plan. You can change attributes from here. You can change its symbol from here. You can change its formatting from this pen, and you can change its placement as well. And yeah, also this pen is work spacing, lateral spacing, lateral words. You can change from here. So I'm not changing this, and going towards our next step. From this window, we will just click on north to add this north, and here you can see this north. So from here you will add skill bar. I will add here, and you just need to add the legend attributes. You can choose your style as per your requirement, or as per your legends. I will choose this one, and from here you can uh, decrease its size, adjust this as per your map. So you can also add a chart frame in this as well, and dynamic texts like credits, description, map frame name, and I will add map frame name here. And in this pattern, you can add your name, uh, provincial map. So this will add your title. From here, you can add credits. You can add your own credits. You can add your scale. You can add your spatial inference system for this map. And in additional surrounds, there are many guides when you're using digital elevation model, or terrain, or point cloud data. Then you can use these tools as well in this. And you can also add straight text, polygonal text, ellipsoid text, and other options. and you can select map series from here as well. And this will show you a clean preview of your map. Your last but not the least, you can add your grid reference system, TM meter reference, ICM, Joe, US National Grid reference system here from this panel to this. Here you go. So in map frame, after clicking on map frame, you can add your specified grid designs from here: black horizontal vertical grids and the blue horizontal vertical grids. I will just add black grids here. So this is my final preview of Arc Pro map, and now I will export my map from this share window, and I'll just click on this export layout and just click on a georeference, and you will select your desired format from here, and you can select your output folder as well. So I'll just place there layout for windshield, and you will just click on save, check this format again, and just click on export to finalize this map. So our export is completed now. Just click on this to preview your map. This is the final result which we have developed using ArcGIS software. And so I hope this video will help you a lot. And thank you very much. Please like, subscribe, and share our channel.